Let me show you the easiest way to prevent weeds in your lawn this spring using these simple steps. In order for us to prevent weeds in our lawn, we need what's called a pre-emergent herbicide. This is not going to kill any weeds that are active in your lawn, but it will prevent future weeds from popping up. Today I'm going to show you how the professionals prevent weeds, but before I do, we're here at my local Lowe's, and I want to show you a homeowner's option as well in case you want something easy. Now let's be honest, not everybody wants to treat lawn care like some big science project like I do. So if you want something quick and easy, you could use something like this to prevent weeds. This is called Scott's Weed X. Comes in granular form. You just throw it into your broadcast spreader, spread it out across your lawn, water it in, and you'll have some good weed prevention for about 2 to 3 months. But today we're gonna step it up from the Scott's Weed X, and I'm gonna show you what I believe is the absolute best weed preventer. And the one we're gonna use today is called Prodiamine. This is it right here. Now this is a solution that you mix up in water, spray it on your lawn, and then water it in. This is the exact same stuff that all the professionals like True Green use. The stuff in Home Depot, it's gonna give you good results, but this is gonna give you the absolute best results possible. And the way that pre-emergents work is once you apply them and then water them in, they create a protective barrier across your lawn. So anytime that weeds go to germinate, that protective barrier is going to stop them from establishing completely. And the best time to apply a pre-emergent is any time that the soil temperatures are consistently 50 degrees. Now you could be a nerd like me and check the temperature using a meat thermometer and sticking it in the soil. Or honestly, the easiest way to know is anytime that you could tell that the temperatures are consistently warming up into the 70s and it's no longer freezing overnight, that's exactly when you know it's a good time to apply pre-emergent. And if you're watching this video right now and you already have a lawn full of weeds, I want you to know it's not too late for you to do what we're doing in this video, because it's better to prevent any future weeds you might get also than not prevent any weeds at all. All right guys, on a side note, I do have to show you something pretty horrific that's happening in my lawn. If we take a look down here, we got some damage over the winter. All the salt trucks were kicking up the ice. Feeling a little sad right now, but it's okay though. You want to know why? Because me and you together, we're gonna fix it this season. So stay tuned to the channel if you want to see a complete transformation of this boulevard strip. So the next thing we're going to need is some type of sprayer. Now today I'm using the Typhoon Zephyr. I highly recommend that you use some type of battery backpack sprayer because it's going to give you the most even blanket application possible. And when we're making these applications today, like Prodiamine, where we need to apply it to our whole lawn evenly, you're going to get the best possible application from one of these types of sprayers. But before we start, it is really important that we wear the proper PPE because we are handling chemicals, which is long sleeve pants, shoes, socks, and gloves. For this application, we're going to be using 0.5 ounces of Barricade mixed into 1 gallon of water for every 1,000 square feet that you have. So just scale both measurements based on your actual lawn size. So for example, let's say you have 2,000 square feet, that's going to be 1 ounce of product mixed in 2 gallons of water. And if you got 5,000 square feet, that's 2.5 ounces of product mixed in 5 gallons of water. And at this rate, we'll get about 3 to 5 months of weed protection. We're going to start by filling up our sprayer with water, then measure out the Barricade using this convenient measuring tool here on the bottle. Then we're going to add our Barricade to our tank. I'm going to mix it up using this drill attached paint mixer. People always ask me about this mixer. All it is a paint mixer you can get at Home Depot, and it works really well for these kinds of applications. Now we're going to apply it evenly to our lawn, and we have to make sure that we have even coverage, because if we don't, then we're going to miss some spots and weeds are going to grow in those spots that we miss. And after we're done applying, we want to make sure that we water it in with at least a ½ inch of water. This is going to activate it. Prodiamine needs it to get into that top layer of soil in order for it to prevent weeds. It's not going to prevent weeds if it just sits on top of your lawn. If you really don't feel like watering it in, one thing that you could do is just apply it before you get some rain. Then once the rain hits, it'll water it in nice and deep. And if you're facing an unusually large amount of weeds this season, then make sure you click this video right here. In this video, I'll show you an all-in-one herbicide that kills 99% of weeds. And with that, this is George from Princess Cut. Peace.